Welcome, listeners, to another Library of Divine Echoes deep dive. I'm your host, Christopher Little, and today we embark on a journey through the fascinating and mind-expanding world of Terence McKenna, a man who spent his life exploring the limits of human consciousness. His work on psychedelics, shamanism, and the human mind has left an indelible mark on the fields of philosophy, ethnobotany, and beyond. Terence McKenna was born on November 16, 1946, in Paonia, Colorado. From an early age, he displayed a deep curiosity about the nature of reality, which would later drive his groundbreaking explorations. After graduating from high school, he attended the University of California, Berkeley, where he majored in ecology and conservation. It was during his time at Berkeley that McKenna's interests in psychedelics and shamanism began to take shape. In the late 1960s, McKenna traveled to the Amazon rainforest with his brother Dennis, where they sought out indigenous shamans and their use of hallucinogenic plants. This journey led to the development of their stoned ape theory, which suggests that the consumption of psychedelic mushrooms played a significant role in human evolution by enhancing cognitive abilities. Terence McKenna's exploration of psychedelics was not limited to theory. He was an active participant in experiments with substances like psilocybin, ayahuasca, and DMT. His first-hand experiences with these substances provided him with unique insights into the nature of consciousness and reality. McKenna believed that psychedelics could serve as tools for self-discovery, healing, and spiritual awakening. One of McKenna's most famous contributions to the field was the concept of novelty theory, which posits that the universe is constantly moving towards greater complexity and novelty. He also introduced the time wave zero hypothesis, which predicted a period of intense transformation and upheaval around the year 2012. While this specific prediction did not come to pass, McKenna's ideas continue to inspire discussions about the nature of time and human consciousness. Terence McKenna's work has had a profound impact on the fields of psychedelics, philosophy, and spirituality. His books, including The Archaic Revival, Food of the Gods, and True Hallucinations, have become seminal texts for those interested in exploring the boundaries of human consciousness. McKenna's lectures and interviews, which are widely available online, continue to captivate audiences with their blend of humor, insight, and visionary thinking. McKenna's influence extends beyond academia. He has inspired countless individuals to explore their own consciousness and seek out alternative approaches to understanding reality. His ideas have also played a significant role in the resurgence of interest in psychedelics as tools for therapy and personal growth. As we conclude this episode, I invite you to join me in a guided meditation inspired by the teachings of Terence McKenna. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and let's embark on this inner journey together. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension in your body. Imagine a peaceful forest clearing, bathed in the gentle light of dawn. You find yourself standing at the edge of this clearing, feeling a sense of calm and wonder. As you take in the beauty around you, allow your mind to wander and explore the depths of your subconscious. Visualize a radiant, glowing light within you, representing your limitless potential. This light is a source of creativity, wisdom, and strength, waiting to be tapped into. Feel its warmth and energy enveloping you, filling you with a sense of empowerment and possibility. As you bask in the glow of your inner light, silently repeat the following affirmations. I am capable of achieving greatness. I embrace my creativity and wisdom. I am open to new possibilities and opportunities. Take a moment to reflect on an area of your life where you would like to apply your limitless potential. Visualize yourself taking confident steps towards your goals, feeling empowered and inspired by your inner light. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of empowerment and possibility with you as you move forward in your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the life and work of Terence McKenna. May his insights and teachings continue to inspire and guide you on your path of self-discovery and growth. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the boundless potential within you.